Good morning, one and all. A day has been dedicated to old persons in the world, that is 1st October, to focus and raise awareness about the well-being and the needs of elderly people. United Nations Secretary General has said the following quote, "The COVID-19 pandemic is causing untold fear and suffering for older people across the world. Beyond its immediate health impact, the pandemic is putting older people at greater risk of poverty, discrimination, and isolation. It is likely to have a particularly devastating impact on older people in developing countries." Unquote. Experts have said globally, senior citizens are the worst hit by COVID-19 pandemic as most of them are at homes like house arrest for last 6 months. Their routine lives are affected largely. Loneliness and mental health issues are rising and needs special attention. Year 2020 marks the 75th anniversary of United Nations and 30th anniversary of International Day of Older Persons. Celebration of the day for the world started in the year 1990. In recent decades, world population has changed dramatically. Life expectancy between 1950 to 2010 rose from 46 to 68 years. Globally, there were 70 crore people over age 65 are in 2019. Most of them are in Southern Eastern Asia, followed by Europe and North America. In next 3 decades, number of persons across the globe is projected more than double, reaching 140 crores starting from 2019. Change the way you think about age. If you ask anyone, what is your age? Immediately the reply comes, I am 16 years old, I am 60 years old, I am 80 years old. Means all are already old, even just after birth. For the 2 months baby, we say it's 2 months old. Assume we all live for 100 years and you are 15 years old, then balance 85 years, you are young. So a 15 years boy is younger by 85 years and a 85 years old is younger by 15 years. In this way, 60 years old person is 40 years young. So it all depends on our mental attitude. If you think you are old by your body, yes, you will never be happy. Mental happiness is ultimate. If you are mentally happy, you will never be old. Even at an age of 100, you will be younger than young of 20 years person. For this, one has to keep your body healthy. Regular exercises, walking and controlling blood pressure and cholesterol are all important things. Older people must not be discriminated on their body condition. Since older people increase in next 3 decades, governments must also plan to bring in systems to support older persons. Young must utilize their knowledge, skills and experiences to grow in life. World is always gold. In this physical world, gold may not have any monetary value, but their experiences, knowledge and skill are worth $1 million for that family and for the society and the nation to grow upon. On this day of International Day for Older People, A to Z I Vijayarao wishes a happy Older People Day and enjoy the day. Thank you.